Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 12. In this video, I am going to show you how to factorize a quadratic trinomial. Okay, so a quadratic trinomial has three terms, alright, where A, B, C are rational numbers. Rational numbers meaning that they can be whole numbers or can be fractions. Okay, and if you look at the first term, it is a coefficient of A and then the variable x has an exponent of 2. The second term has a coefficient of b, which is a rational number, and then the variable of x to an exponent of 1. And the c part has no variable, so it's just a whole number or could be a fraction. So now how do you factorize a quadratic trinomial? So for you to factorize a quadratic trinomial, you need to always identify a, b, and c. Always identify those numbers or the coefficients. Okay, and then once you do that, you should find out a times c. Okay, you should get that product because that product will set you free. So now that product, you must find the factors of this product. So if you add up those two factors, they will give you the b part, and if you multiply those products, if you multiply those factors, so these factors, they will give you a times c. Okay, so once you do that, you should now replace this part, the second term, by this, so that you end up with 4 terms, and then now we can factorize by grouping. Now let me give you an example so maybe you understand. So let's say we want to factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. So as we can see, a here is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to 6. So if I say 1 times 6, I'll get 6. So I want the factors of 6. So 6 has the following factors: 1 goes into 6 6 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. So you should always put them in pairs. So 1 goes into 6 6 times, 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now, if you look at the first pair, 1 plus 6 cannot give us 5, but 2 plus 3 can give us 5. So meaning that instead of having x squared plus 5x plus 6, we're going to have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. So this is just 5x because they are like terms. Alright, so now we need to factorize by grouping because the first two, they have a common factor and the last two have a common factor. So we can factorize by grouping. Let's do it. So the common factor here will be x, and if I divide this by x, I'll get x. If I divide this term, I'll get 2. Plus, common factor here will be 3. Open the bracket. 3x divided by 3 will give me x. Plus 6 divided by 3 will give me 2. If you look at the brackets, they have the same information. So now you have two terms, this and that, and they have a common factor. So you remove the common factor, which is x plus 2, and then what is outside the bracket, you just put it in one bracket, and voila. So if you remove the brackets, you're gonna end up with something like this. Okay, so now my friends, in the next video, I am going to show you how to factorize quadratic trinomials when you have negative signs. Okay, because it was very easy with positive signs. So that will be in lesson number 12. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.